sort of dinking around these small kind abalone shell I got. I like how they can sort of fit into each other like a Russian egg, you know, those little small dolls. But so I've sort of been messing around with that, looking what we could do with that. And like I said, I always stacked them in there like that. But one of these, this small kind over here. Let's see. Look at these. Fucking. This is the toe. And see, that's the toe. That's where the animal, the snail, connected to the shell. When they're on the ocean floor, they're like this and they crawl around, eating kelp. But since they can't eat kelp anymore because it's all fucking gone, they are struggling. But anyhow, so this is just an old, what we call the toe or the shoe, that has broken away from the remainder of the shell and just had this. And I was sort of dinking around. Here's a really nice one I like. And these come in really cool. I can put this in a muriatic bath and this red will pop right back. But look how these two just sort of fit together like that. And I was thinking, wouldn't that be a cool little like jewelry box for somebody's, I don't know, wedding rings or, you know, some kind of family heirloom. So I was looking at that, you know, just sort of playing around with that, how it fits in there. See how these colors are just gorgeous. And then I started messing around with some other ones. So this is one I got for my sister, my younger sister. And it has been beat up out in the ocean and has exposed the nacer that is beneath this exterior shell. And it's a metaphor, if you will. We always get tumbled around out here in the life. But there's something beautiful to be had over it, right? I don't know. Really fucking high or something. So I was like, well, fuck, what could we do? So here's another one. And this happens when like coral starts to grow over the top of the shell. And then it is somehow this mother of pearl nacer goes into the coral. That's the only way I can explain this. I'm fucking tripping balls right now, dude. It's just so fucking crazy. See, look at the toe on that one. Big old honker here. And then we could just put that like that. And then see how they slide together just like peanut butter and jelly. Look at that. Now, wouldn't that be a cool little like jewelry box? Or and then it's sort of counterclockwise to unscrew it. No hinges because we don't need it. Boom. What do you guys think? Really fucking high.